Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by blocking the hummingbird into simple shapes so form stays accurate. Draw one oval for the body and a small circle for the head. Connect them with a short neckline because that sets posture. Add a triangle for the beak and two faint wing guidelines to indicate angle and span. Once done, check proportions. The body should be roughly twice the head. Make sure to keep strokes light so you can refine lines without smudging later. Now focus on wings and tail because these give the hummingbird motion and balance. Refine wing outlines into elongated teardrops for primaries and add layered curved shapes beneath for secondaries. This creates a layered feather look. Draw the tail as a fan of 3 to 5 tapered feathers, tilting them to match the pose. Next, place a small eye and mark the throat patch and chest contour with gentle curves to suggest volume. Make sure to finish. Add texture and correct small errors so the drawing reads like a hummingbird. Use short, directional strokes to suggest feathers and emphasize the leading wing edge and throat iridescence with slightly denser marks. Once happy, ink or darken the final lines and carefully erase construction guidelines. If proportions seem off, adjust before shading. For example, if wings look uneven, redraw the lighter wing at a corrected angle and match feather count to the other side. Make sure values in contrast, sell the tiny form.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.